Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the German American bank app to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Bank of German, the German American bank app is highly rated mobile banking tools that cover all the essential from checking balance and transferring money to pay bills, depositing check and sending funds with Zelle. It also includes extras like free credit score monitoring, secure in-app managing, and even the ability to open account or apply for loan, which make it a convenient all-in-one solution for customers. That said, some user report delay in balance update and transaction posting, which can be frustrating if you rely on real-time accuracy. The removal of useful features like iPhone widget and occasional login on mobile deposit quack also hurts the experience. So in conclusion, the German app is worth using, especially if you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich mobile banking option, but expect a few minor annoyances. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.